What's up, y'all? Big Herc 916, and I'm at the lab right now, about to take a look at the Nsx. It's been sitting up for shit, man, a couple years now, and it's finally about to get its makeover. I'm gonna let you guys take a look at it. It's looking kind of rough right now, but I got the tranny and engine out, and now it's time to start the assembly process. So take a stroll with me. So I got the Nsx motor right here on the stand, as you can see. They're going to be putting that thing together real soon inside the, actually attaching it to the trans, but it's been dart sleeved. Everything in there is new. All the fucking, the rubbers, the seals, the gaskets, everything in this thing has been redone. I spent the grip with Acura getting all these parts, man, and they ain't cheap. Let me tell you about it, man. It's quite expensive to get that motor built right. So that's all back together. Got the tranny down here. It's been all put back together. I got a special diff from Japan, ordered it. All the gearing and everything is brand new. That was over $8,000 right there, just the transmission alone, putting it back together right. And see, all this shit is because I had this asshole mechanic that I let do the work on the car and he couldn't finish. Like I said, that asshole mechanic started working on the car, didn't really know what the fuck he was doing, but I didn't find out till after the fact. And me being the type of person I am, you know, when he told me, oh, I can turbo your car, I can do this and that, I rolled with it, man. But sometimes you gotta just pull back and do a little more research, and don't get overly excited, man. See, that's my thing. I'm like, cars are like my fucking drug, so I get overly excited when I start hearing different things, and I jumped the gun. And the car was running perfect, nothing was wrong with it, but I allowed this dumbass to start fucking with it, and it just led to the car sitting up. And now, you know, here I am, almost 2.5 years later, trying to get my baby back on the road. So this is my baby. Trying to get her back on the road. She's been out of commission for quite some time. I don't even know what it's like to drive her anymore. You know, it's gonna be a brand new experience getting her back. But she's been sitting up with the car cover, and you know, I gotta give her a full makeover. Tires are fucking all ratted up from just sitting. I gotta get new tires. I got found out that the CV axles were missing. The jackass mechanic lost those, so I had to buy new CV axles, and those weren't cheap. You know, like fucking $1,200 a piece. I'm telling you, man, this motherfucker cost me more than it was worth. That's why I talked about shady mechanics, man. Watch your mechanic, man. Know who you fucking with. And this guy, I thought he was cool, but ended up being a piece of shit. So he even scuffed the paint. He was gonna start painting the car. I don't know why he scuffed the paint when there was no need to scuff it, because the car hadn't even been done yet. But that's the type of dumbass shit some of these mechanics do. So yeah, man, I got some new body pieces for it. Got a new front clip that's gonna be going on here. I got what else did I get? I got a new also rear clip that's going to be going on with a different diffuser, and then I also got a new rear spoiler I'm going to be switching out. So all of that's going to be brand new. Look at the interior, still super clean, still smells new, got some carbon fiber accents in it. Short shift. I had just had the seats redone, so I don't really have to do anything interior wise. It's a low mileage car. It's only got like 108,000 miles, but now shit, the motor, tranny, the CV axles, fuck, I'm adding, I got stop tech brakes that are going on here, so I'm gonna have to change the wheels. I got Science of Speed, what do you call, sway bar set that's going to be going on. I also have some coilovers. What else? I have all new bushings, and I have what else do I have? I have one other thing I think I'm adding. I'm gonna put new wheels. I'm gonna turbo the car, either turbo or supercharged. I don't know yet. Might go with a Comtech supercharger. And also, what am I doing? Oh, I got a ZD triple disc clutch that's gonna be going in here, so it can handle the horsepower. So yeah, my baby will be back on the road real soon. I'll keep you guys up to date as I make progress, but watch out for mechanics that don't know what the fuck they're doing, but they want your money. You know what I mean? They need their motherfucking wig split. So just remember, do your homework. Even then, you know, I had a dude I knew for years. I spent over 100 grand with him, and he took my money and used it to pay for his wedding. And you know, I want to fucking bust his motherfucking wig, but I had to pull back because I didn't want to catch another case. So yeah, y'all, this is gonna be my supercar, and it's gonna be hopefully ready to roll within the next couple months. And she'll also get a paint, or I might do a wrap. I'm not sure yet. So that's it, y'all. That's the Nsx, and she'll be coming to life real soon. I'll keep you posted. Big Herc 916. Subscribe to the channel.